Let's talk about the last three letters. The next letter is resh. The English equivalent is R. But as you can hear, it's pronounced differently. Resh. The pronunciation comes from the throat. Resh. R, R, resh, R. So note the different pronunciation. A little bit difficult to pronounce it in a Hebrew accent. You'll need to practice that. Resh. The next letter is shin. Sh. Shin. It's pronounced sh, just like sh. Sh. Shin. This is also a special letter, because once we move this little dot from the right side to the left side, the pronunciation changes from shin to s, and the letter is now sin, s. The English equivalent is S. You remember the letter samech? We've talked about this letter, samech. So they're pronounced the same, samech, and the shin with the dot on the left, s. Same pronunciation, different letters. And we use them in different places. But you will see all about that in the next sections and by practicing. The last letter of the Hebrew alphabet is the letter Taf. As you can see, this letter is very similar to Chet, but it has this little part on the left side. This is Chet, and this is Taf. Taf is like the English T, pronounced T. Taf. T. Let's put these letters like so you won't confuse. These are only examples from previous lessons. This letter, Taf, also sounds like the letter Tet. You remember Tet? It looks like so. They sound the same. The English equivalent of the letter Tet is also T. They sound the same, but they are different letters, and we use them in different places. Alright, so these are all the letters. You've learned all the 22 Hebrew alphabet letters. In the next section, you will learn how they pronounce differently according to the vowel signs and how to read full words and even sentences.